back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing an Instagram photo shoot from home. I've seen a couple of people do this on YouTube at the moment, and seeing as though we're all stuck at home, there's nowhere for us to go and take Instagram photos, why not take them at home? I have made a list of the Instagram pictures that I want to take today. Well, I say today, I've already taken them because I forgot to film an intro this morning, so I've already filmed the video. I've already taken the pictures, but yeah. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Cool. Cue the intro. Okay, so this is this morning before I filmed the intro to this picture. Basically what I want to do is I wanted to do like a towel, you know, with your hair in a towel and like a bathrobe on. You know, like the applying makeup or like with a face mask, you know, those kind of pictures. I'll put some on screen so you get an idea of what I mean. I wanted to do that, but I kind of was like, do I do a face mask or do I do it with like a full face of makeup on to make it seem as though I'm like applying makeup? I don't know. So I think I'm going to do the makeup one because I need to put makeup on anyway today, so I think I'll just do that. But yeah, that's basically, I was just saying hi and this is what I look like now, and I'm going to look different in a second. Done my makeup. When I said I'd come back looking significantly better, I seem to have gone full glam. Full glam for me anyway. Cool. I've like gone big eyebrows and big eyelashes, although they are not fake. I have been blessed in the eyelashes department, I think. On camera it looks really pale, but I promise I'm tanned. I don't know why it looks so pale. I was thinking for this photo I'm going to keep my hair wet just because I can like pull some strands out of the towel maybe and make it look obvious that it is I've got wet hair. So I'm going to do that now, but I don't know what to put on this area. Like obviously some of them are like dressing gowns, but mine's grey and I just don't know if that will work. We'll see. I'll try it and see. And I don't know what mirror to do it in either. I'll try the one that's on my wall. If not, I'll probably mess around because I've got another one where my logo sign is. Behind that is a circle mirror and I might use that one too, so we'll see. But yeah. Okay, I need to put my hair in a towel, but I don't know how to do it so that it looks cool. Cross, twist, over, but I just look like an egg, so we need to work something out. Loosen it up a bit, maybe? Can I do that? Or is it gonna like rip my hair out of my head? I maybe should have left them out when I did it in the first place. Oh, that looks quite cool. Do I look ridiculous? Yes, probably. This is funny. Right, I'm going to try and go like... That's ridiculous. But, you know, we're going to go with it and see what happens. Okay, so we have lipstick and brow gel, and I'm going to like try to take some pictures of doing them. Right, this is going to be difficult. What does that look like? Ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Hey. Okay, so that is that picture done, which means I can take my hair out of that. I've just edited them as well to see what they would look like, and I'm actually quite happy with some of them. I'll pop them on screen so that you can see what they look like. Yeah, I'm quite happy with them. I took a few in the mirror. I obviously had issues with the whole applying picture thing, like applying the lipstick. That just wasn't happening. So I just took some selfies instead to make it look cool. But yeah, I'm happy with them. I think my favorite is probably that one. I need to learn to smile more in my pictures. I did try. I pulled some funny faces and, you know, smiled in a few, but I'm so used to doing like my own self-portraits that I'm just used to doing the model face, the whole other, you know? Ew, that was gross. So that is one of the pictures I can tick off of my list. I'm now gonna go and just fix my hair because obviously it's wet. so I'm going to quickly go and dry it and maybe add some curls into it, and then we can get on with the rest of them. It does look like it's going to rain, and I did want to take some outside, so maybe we'll do the outside pictures next. Let me check the weather forecast, because that would not be great if it's gonna rain at 2. Okay, so that's fine. We've got 2 hours of which it shouldn't rain. So you know how I said it wasn't meant to rain until like 2? It's just started raining. I don't know if you can see it. What are we gonna do? It's raining. I can't go outside. Oh, has it stopped? I think it might have stopped raining, which means we have to rush. Go outside and take these pictures because I think it stopped, but I'll just show you my outfit real quick. Going for like cozy lounge vibes, but also like I can leave the house in it kind of thing. I've got this top on from Hollister that was actually quite long, but I cropped it, and I feel like I could probably crop it a bit more, but I don't know. Then I'm wearing these jeans, which are like high waist straight leg jeans, and I've just rolled them up at the bottom. Then I'm wearing this oversized cardigan from Primark. You'll have probably seen it in my videos before. I'm actually digging this outfit. Like, I just literally threw it on. I didn't plan it or anything. I really like it. So let's go outside and take some pictures. Look, there's 2 of me. Please don't rain, please don't rain, please don't rain, please don't rain, please don't rain. Are you raining? I really hope not. Okay, so my idea for this one was, I have these white shed doors and I wanted to stand in front of them and take like a mirror picture. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try quickly before it rains. Oh, and then I wanted to do those ones that you see on TikTok. Like, you know, the ones where they're leaning over, but it's very cloudy, so we'll have to see. I quite like the look of this. I might take some here, although I might have to sort that rubbish out and like nicen up the background. It's just started raining. Oh, come on, give me a break. Let me take these pictures. I'm gonna leave you inside. Okay. I think I got some. Let's go check. Okay, I'm now back from being outside. Obviously, as you've seen, I haven't looked at the pictures yet. I'm gonna sit here and do that and edit them, and then I will show you them and chat through how it went. Okay, it's been a while. I've just sat and edited those pictures and let you charge for about half an hour. So it's been a little while. And I've actually really liked the photos we took. Because you took them with me, obviously. I'll pop them on screen in a second so you can see the ones that I like the most. Yeah, I'm happy with the way that those turned out, even though it did rain when I was out there, but you know, oh well. I'm gonna check my list and see what photos we need to take now. There's 3 pictures left that I want to take. I want to take a flat lay, a like lying on the bed kind of picture, and a sitting down outfit pic. Oh, hello kitten. Just walk all over my flat lay, why don't you? Hello. Come on, let's get a flat lay with you in it, shall we? Okay, ready, pose. I'll just walk all over it, that's fine. Whoa, hello. You okay? Yeah, you playing with my hair. Okie dokie. Let's take this next picture. Okay, so this is the mirror that I've got. I also have a big round one, but I don't know where to put that. This one stands up quite nicely. I'm just gonna sort out my bed and make it look somewhat aesthetic, and then we'll take some pictures. It's glorious sunshine outside. Where was this when I needed to take my pictures outside? It is still very thick clouds, but it's sunny. Like, it wasn't sunny earlier. Okay, so I've now finished editing all of the pictures, and I'm gonna go through some of my favorites from today. Obviously, the first ones that we took were the ones in the bath towel, and my favorites from that one is probably this one. I don't know how well, I'll put them on the screen. So yeah, probably this one. Also that one, just because I'm pulling a funny face. I also like the one where I was in my hallway. I think that one was cute. Then we took the pictures outside in the mirror, and also like the ones outside my shed, and of like the outfit pics and stuff. So my favourite ones from those, I really like these two of the outfit pics. Selfie wise, the ones like just from in front of the shed, I love all of them. I like them all. Then we took the ones of the mirror on the floor like you see on TikTok. I quite like these ones, and then my cat decided to photobomb, which was hilarious. These ones are nice, and this was the one that I really liked, but it's very overexposed, and I've tried editing that to sort it out and I just can't seem to get it right. And then there's the one sat on my back step with the mirrors, and again I kind of like all of these. Then we have the ones that I've just taken on the bed now, and I really like this one. I think it's cute, just like me in the frame. I like the fact that it's not like a mirror selfie, and it's used the self timer on my iPhone. Then there's another little detail pic of my outfit. I like this one. I think this one's quite elegant because I'm lying in a way that I've seen on Instagram a lot, and I like how it looks. Then I have the flat lays of my book and my computer and my cat. So yeah, that is all of the pictures that we got today. I'm really happy with those. I'm going to arrange them into a feed and start posting them on Instagram, which is exciting because I don't have, well, I didn't have any pictures to post, and now I do. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, I will leave it down below like always, or I'll pop it on the screen. Either or. Editing Lauren will decide. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button whilst you are down there. I've seen a couple people do like testing TikTok photography hacks, so I might try to do one of those. But yeah, just let me know down below, and I will see you super soon with a new video. Peace out, thanks a bunch, and goodbye. Strike a pose.